All right, now that we've got our store-bought sheet cakes onto our Hababichi here, I added some fresh diced strawberries, or actually quartered strawberries, excuse me. I used some white melting chocolate, some regular chocolate chips, and some strawberry glaze. Now you can add whatever to this that you prefer, whatever is your, favorite kind of toppings, dessert features. We just are doing a nice variety here. And I've got, as you can see, this is my white cake in the background here. I had the marble in the center there, and we've got that chocolate up front. So we are using and creating different textures and colors to make this a really fun, festive, and unique dessert. Now we're just gonna add in, this is some red velvet cake, which is my husband's favorite. And we're making this super special treat for him. He's having a very big birthday this year, and I just couldn't really decide what to make him. Now I'm coming in with a pineapple cream cake. I'm just gonna use this cream cake to fill in a little bit here. Now you can use whatever flavors you like. If you wanna stick with the white cake, if you wanna do, a chocolate. My favorite is pineapple, his favorite is red velvet. All right, we're just gonna mix a little bit our cake batter here into our other ingredients. This is looking fantastic, just like that. Now this looks pretty well covered here. On this section, I'm just gonna come in and give a little bit of coverage to our cake. Now I used 4 boxes of cake. I used the super moist Duncan Hines, but of course you can go with any flavors or brand of cake that you like. I'm really loving those Dolly Parton cakes right now. They're super fun. And now we're just gonna come in, we're gonna give this a little bit of a beautiful marbleization here. Oh my gosh, isn't that stunning? I just love mixing this. I love when you play with paints like this. It just looks so beautiful. It really elevates everything and takes it to the next level. Alrighty, this smells so incredible. That red velvet flavor, the strawberry glaze, the strawberries. We're just gonna close our lid on the Blackstone. We're gonna let this cook for just about 10 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. We've had this cooking out here on our Blackstone for about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you a really easy way. We're gonna just decorate the cake just like this. Some easy vanilla frosting. Of course, you can use any kind that you like. Perfect. It really goes with the red too in the red velvet. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And because it is a birthday and a special day, I'm just gonna do a little bit rainbow sprinkles. I love these, so fun. I'm a sprinkle girl. I know it's not Marty's favorite, but it is my favorite, so I'm going for it. Alrighty. The piece of honor for the guest of honor. Look at that beautiful marbleized birthday cake, Marty. I left your fork over here. I gotta get it for you.
This looks amazing.
Just like you, honey.
Oh, look at that. Red velvet.
Yeah.
Delish.
Is that good?
It is really hot, but delicious.
I love you, honey. You gotta try it.
Happy birthday.